Benefits of a backyard swimming pool. Remodeling project. With summer days that often reach the mid to high 90s, pool remodeling Houston projects are a popular way to find relief from the heat in your backyard. Here are 5 benefits that a new swimming pool remodeling can bring. 1. Swimming pool remodeling projects add property value to your Houston home. Houston is one of the top cities in the U.S. for added property value with a backyard swimming pool. Some numbers show adding an in-ground pool can boost the selling price of a median-priced house by around $36,000. Pool renovations in Houston make exercise fun. Swimming is a great physical activity for people of all ages and body types. Long pool sessions can work your cardiovascular system, increase endurance, build muscle, and improve flexibility. Schedule your swimming pool remodeling Houston project and bring people together. You'll never need to worry about how to keep people entertained during gatherings with an entire swimming pool to keep the party going. New swimming pool projects are ideal for families with kids. If you're concerned about your children watching too much television or spending excessive time indoors, a swimming pool is a sure way to get them outdoors for hours. Kids of all ages typically enjoy spending time playing Marco Polo, searching for diving rings, or circling the edge of the pool. A swimming pool remodeling Houston project lets you vacation from home. If your favorite part of vacationing is getting a tan or swimming in the hotel pool, adding a new swimming pool is a great way to transform your backyard into your summer resort. Schedule a swimming pool remodeling Houston project is a huge undertaking. To make sure your vision comes true, you need to work with the right installation company to plan out your project and build you the pool you've always dreamed of. For a pool renovations Houston company you can trust, contact the experts at Manning Pool Service today.